Jolene, and this is April 2nd, 2010. She's 51 days old. 51 days old. She just came back from her walk, and I asked her, let's see if she'll do it again. I said, did you squeak on the walk? Did you go, yes, is that what you did?
And you just pooped.
Oh.
She just pooped in her pants.
Oh my goodness. Jolene.
Oh, that's...
Look this way. Did you make funny noises when you were walking? Did you go...
What's your daddy doing? What is he doing?
Here comes Putter.
Why are her pupils so big? Are baby
Putter
pupils supposed to be that big?
Because it's dark in here. Hi. Hello. How are you? I just got out of the hot tub, so I'm dripping on the camera. What have you got to tell me?
Did we have a good walk? Mommy didn't get to push you at all. Not once.
That's so. There's Putter.
Andrew and Alex were fighting over who could push more, and one got mad, and...
Oh my goodness.
Oh, goodness sakes.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
Yeah.
The boys pushed you the whole time, your little boyfriends.
Oh my goodness. Jolene. Hello. Hi, Jolene.
Oh,
yeah.
You're going to have some of this? Come on.
Watch this face.
I'm not taking it.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. Tastes good, huh? Does it taste good?
Come on.
Try one more time.
Drinking a milliliter at a time.
Try
maybe.
one more time. Does that taste good? No, not really, huh?
Don't spit it out.
What?
Nutrition.
Tell me a story. You tell me a story, okay? Okay, and then what happened after that? What happened after that? Jolene! Oh my goodness. Hello, Jolene. What happened after that?
Oh, we lost a booty. We got one booty missing.
You sure like the camera, don't you? Yeah. Oh boy. Bye, Jolene. Goodbye. You pretty girl. You beautiful girl.